What is up, you guys? It's Aisling. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be testing out a couple of Essence products. I was so fortunate to get sent out some products by Essence this month. I tried out other products in a previous video, which I will link in a card. You can definitely check them out. But in today's video, I have 3 other products that I want to test out for you guys, and I want to give you a little bit of a rundown. Now, obviously, I've already used these products, so I know exactly how I feel in it, but it's a big surprise for you guys. But if you do like this type of content, I would love you to give it a thumbs up. And if you are not already, definitely subscribe, because I upload content like this quite regularly, and it would be really fun for you guys to join my little crew. So in today's video, I'm going to be testing out the new Which Side palette from Essence, which looks like this on the inside, and I've done a look using it on my eyes that I have it on right now. To be honest, the blue shade is what I really wanted to use in today's look, but you'll kind of see what happened and why I didn't end up using it. You can see how these shadows perform, what they're like in my eye, and I'll give you like a little rundown of what I actually think of all of them, or as many as I use. So that's the Which Side palette, which is kind of cool. Look at the outside of it, like it's super cool. I really like that. And the other products that I want to talk about are the Bye Bye Panda Eye mascara, which is their newest mascara. This is a smudge proof volumizing and defining mascara. I know mascaras are a bit difficult to kind of like test, and everybody likes something different from mascara. I love my mascara to lengthen and volumize my lashes. I have very short lashes and very non-existent lashes, so I want something to kind of create a little bit of volume and a bit of excitement when it comes to my lashes. So you'll see what I think of that. And then the final product is the new Essence 24 Ever Ink Liner in Intense Black. I love a good liquid liner, so again, I'm going to test out those 3 products for you guys. You get to see how I created this eye look and what I think of the products overall. So if you are interested in seeing this eye makeup and how I achieved it, then let's get into the tutorial. I'm having a bit of an episode. I decided that I was going to try, because my camera just died, so I was going to try and do the eye look off camera, so then I could show you exactly what I did. And I took the shade Gloomy here. It is impossible to get it moving on my eye. Like, it's a gorgeous blue color, can you see that? But it is ridiculously difficult to blend it out. So what I did was I kind of like packed it close to my lash line and then kind of like tried to blend it up, and it's gone into this patchy, smudgy, horrible mess. So I'm going to take this eye off because this blue shade here, no. And it was the only reason I wanted to really use this palette, was that blue shade. Because other than that, it's kind of all a lot of purples. And we've done a lot of purple looks lately, and I just really wanted something different. But this is just not working for me. Oh, I have to take it off. Like, I just have to. So bear with me one moment. Right, so let's start again. I'm gonna take the shade Charm now over top of the initial like peachy shade, and I'm just gonna, I don't know, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do, because I really had that blue in mind. That shade in through the crease. Oh, it's such a pretty shade. It's a gorgeous mauve tone. I like the same color as my handle of my brush. Okay, so I'm just going to deepen out the outer corner, and I'm taking the shade here, Potion, which is this gorgeous like maroony shade. I think it's super pretty. And I'm just going to, oops, pop that out here. And I'm going to bring it into almost the center of my eye. I'm just going to take the brush that I used the initial shades on just to blend out any harshness. I'm not a big fan of that shadow, to be honest, guys. I feel like it's gone quite patchy. It's pretty difficult to blend. I'm not saying that my blending skills are the best in the entire world, but I mean, I know how to blend, and I just find that this is a little bit difficult to, I don't know, to blend, and it's just a tad bit patchy. Just taking a bit of concealer and just gonna cut out my crease here. I think I'm gonna go in with shadowy down here, and I'm just gonna take that on a flat shader brush, and I'm gonna pop that just right beside the burgundy kind of shade, or that plummy kind of shade. Oh, that's a really nice shadow actually. It's a lovely color. I'm going to take the shade Power, which is this one here, and I'm going to pop that right into the inner portion of my eye. And drag it even into the tear duct. And just to add a little bit more depth to the outer corner, I'm just going to take the shade Spell right here, and I'm just going to run it along the tape just to create a teeny bit more depth out there. I don't even think that's doing anything. I really can't see anything happening with that shadow. Right, so Ritual, this plain cream shade is going right underneath my brow bone. And I'm just going to do a little bit more blending here off camera just to kind of like fix up everything. And then I'll come back and do some liner. Okay, so that's kind of the best I could get out of this situation. I'm going to try the new Essence 24 Ever Ink liner. I love Essence's ink liner, you know, the liquid liner. It's my favorite liner ever. You guys know that. So I'm interested to see what this one's like. So it's just a felt tip marker. It's not flexible and it's not like a brush. Ooh. And it's a little bit thicker than I would like to create a fine line, but it is quite black, which I'm happy about. Okay, so I had no complaints with that liner. It spread really easily. It did skip a teeny bit on my eye, but that's probably just my own fault. But I actually think that that liner is really black and really easy to use, and I quite like it. So I'm going to move on to their newest mascara, which is the Bye Bye Panda Eyes. This is a smudge-proof mascara, which I'm excited to try out because I love mascaras and I love trying new ones. So this is what the wand of it looks like. I would describe it more as a lengthening mascara than a volumizing mascara because I don't really feel it's given that much volume to my lashes, but it's still quite nice. Would I use it on an ongoing basis? Probably not. I'm going to take that dark purple and I'm going to run that all over my lower lash line, the whole way from inner to outer. Oh God. Damn, I should have taken a smaller brush. I messed up. Nothing a bit of blending can't save. Yeah, I need a smaller brush to do more detail work there. That was a bit crazy. I'm just going to apply some of that mascara to my lower lashes now. And I would never recommend anything to you guys based on price. I would always check it out and see what it's like. I have to say that this palette, guys, is a hard pass for me. I really do not like it. The colour layout is gorgeous. The selection of colours is beautiful. But that blue performed so badly on my eye. And then I just thought maybe it was, you know, that kind of shade. You know, it's more of like a shimmery shade, but I tried some of the other shimmers and they're only okay. Like, they're not amazing. The matte shades were a little bit patchy. I know I didn't use all of them, but I used 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, 5 of them. So I kind of got a good judgment of the quality of the shadows, and I don't think they're great. I really don't. I actually, hang on. I actually do have the leaflet here so I can tell you exactly how much that palette is. That palette retails for $11.95, guys. No way would I pay $11.95 for that. I much prefer the Catrice, this Pro Slim palette, the Next Generation Nudes. I did a whole video dedicated to it. You probably recognize it from the video, and I've used it a couple of times since. I used it on Valentine's Day. I really like this palette, but this one is the same price, and no bueno. Don't like the shadows, don't like how they blend, don't really like how they looked on my eyes. Not really a big fan of the color selection. I feel like without that blue, maybe that color there, it's just another neutral palette, and to be honest, the neutral shades in it are not great. They don't perform very well. It's not for me. I would definitely give that a miss. The mascara, it's okay, like it's fine. It's a mascara, it covered my lashes. It would definitely be more of a lengthening mascara. I wouldn't say this would be great if you need volume, which is kind of what I need in my mascara, is a lengthening and volume mascara, whereas I don't really feel like that kind of gave me too much volume. It kind of just lengthened the lashes. They're still kind of a little bit non-existent. I don't have great lashes as it is, so I do kind of need a lot from my mascara, and I don't really feel like that could give me too much. And then the other product, the ink liner, this is fine. It's an okay product. Would I repurchase it? Probably not. Will I use it up? Definitely. And I will use it kind of day in, day out until it's probably gone, because I have it in my collection now. I'm not going to like get rid of it. It's not a bad product. It's definitely not the best product. The liquid ink liner is by far the best liquid liner I've ever used in my entire life, and don't think anything can compare to this. It went on really well on my eyes. It skipped a teeny bit, but nothing kind of crazy. The only problem I do have with it is that the felt tip on it is just a little bit thicker than I would like, and it's not the kind of tip that I would go for when it comes to liners. Again, I have the Catrice one, and it has like something like 200 bristles in it, and it works so well. So I just prefer that product. I am so sorry, guys. It sounds like I have been bashing Essence lately, because this is the second Essence video I filmed in a month that I don't like the products in, and it's a lot of their new collection, and I'm just really surprised, because I've used Essence for years and I always like their products, and just lately they haven't been great, and the products haven't performed really well for me. But I need to be honest with you guys, because why would I lie and tell you that palette's great, the eyeliner's great, the mascara's brilliant, I love Essence, go buy them, and then you try them and you're not really that happy with them. So I just needed to be honest with you guys. I'm just not overly impressed with it. The shadows in particular would be a hard pass for me. The mascara's okay, but Essence do so many better mascaras. So many better? That doesn't sound right. They do much better mascaras. Case in point, Lash Princess mascara. Unreal. Love that mascara. I'm not really a big fan of the mascaras that Essence have been bringing out lately, especially the ones that come in this packaging. I think I tried one last summer and I kind of had the same issues with it. It didn't really do much for my lashes. Sorry, Essence. I hate to be a Debbie Downer, but I'm just not a big fan of those new products. I hope you enjoyed today's video, even though it was a bit neg. But I needed to be honest. I always am honest, brutally sometimes. If you did enjoy today's video and you'd like to see more reviews of affordable products so you can see what was good and what's not good, then definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe again if you're not already. I would love that, and I will talk to all of you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys!